Okay, here's another unboxing of the Armory pin pal. Comes in a nice little package right here. It says Cross, right? Comes with a couple stickers and some advertisement, of course. Great thing about this packaging is that it's really easy to open. So no cutting involved, just flip it open. But here is the product, right? It's wrapped in some clear tape. Let me go ahead and remove it. So here's what it looks like, right? That's their logo, the bearing in the center, right? And this is the threaded portion right here. Right, here are the components completely separated. Threaded portion, female end, and the bearing itself. So of course this right here is going to be on your upper. So you just, when this goes through, it'll be riding right there. It'll be riding right there all night long. All right. So can't wait to put this on my AR when I pick it up. All right, peace out, fuckers.